Welcome back to Car Vibes, where performance meets passion and every engine note tells a story. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most electrifying machines ever to roll out of Santa Gata. Bolognese, the all-new 2026 Lamborghini Temerario. This isn't just another supercar reveal. This is Lamborghini redefining its future, blending brutal performance with next-generation hybrid technology, and doing it in a way that only Lamborghini can. The Temerario steps into the spotlight as the successor to the legendary Lamborghini Huracán, a car that carried the brand's V10 legacy for over a decade. But the Temerario doesn't just replace the Huracán, it transforms the formula entirely. Gone is the naturally aspirated V10. In its place, Lamborghini introduces an all-new twin-turbocharged V8 paired with a cutting-edge hybrid system. And before the purists panic, let's talk numbers, because the numbers silence all doubts. At the heart of the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 that revs to an astonishing 10,000 revolutions per minute. Yes, you heard that right, 10,000 revolutions per minute. In a twin-turbo V8 on its own, the engine produces massive power. But when combined with 3 electric motors, the total system output climbs to around 900 horsepower. This makes the Temerario not only more powerful than the Huracán, but also one of the most advanced performance machines Lamborghini has ever built. The hybrid system isn't just there for efficiency or emissions compliance. It's engineered for performance. 2 electric motors sit on the front axle, enabling torque vectoring and delivering instant response to each front wheel independently. The third motor is integrated between the engine and the transmission, assisting with acceleration and smoothing out power delivery. The result is an all-wheel drive system that reacts in milliseconds, delivering explosive launches and surgical cornering precision. Speaking of launches, the 0 to 60 miles per hour time is expected to be around 2.5 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 210 miles per hour. But raw speed only tells part of the story. The hybrid boost eliminates turbo lag almost entirely, meaning throttle response is immediate and relentless. You press the pedal, and the Temerario doesn't hesitate at attacks. Visually, the Temerario carries Lamborghini's unmistakable DNA, while pushing the design language into the future. Sharp hexagonal elements dominate the styling, from the LED daytime running lights to the aggressive air intakes. The silhouette remains low and wide, but it's more sculpted and aerodynamic than its predecessor. Every vent, every crease, every angle serves a purpose, either to cool the hybrid powertrain or to generate downforce at high speeds. Compared to the Huracán, the Temerario looks more technical and futuristic. The rear end is particularly dramatic, with a high-mounted exhaust system and an exposed engine bay that proudly displays the new V8. The lighting signature is bold and angular, making the car instantly recognizable at night. Lamborghini hasn't just designed a car, they've designed an event on wheels. Inside, the transformation is just as significant. The cabin of the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is fully digital and driver-focused, yet more refined and comfortable than previous entry-level Lamborghinis. A large central touchscreen dominates the dashboard, complemented by a digital instrument cluster and even a passenger-side display. The interface is modern and intuitive, allowing drivers to control everything from drive modes to hybrid energy management. Despite all the tech, Lamborghini keeps the theatrical elements alive. The iconic fighter jet-inspired start button remains under a red flip cover. The steering wheel is packed with controls, allowing drivers to switch between driving modes without taking their hands off the wheel. From Strada for daily driving, to Sport for aggressive road use, and Corsa for track domination, the Temerario adapts its personality instantly. There's even an all-electric mode for short city drives, allowing near-silent operation when needed. Chassis-wise, Lamborghini has engineered a new MIU aluminum space frame platform specifically designed to integrate the PHEV hybrid system without compromising rigidity. The battery pack is strategically positioned to maintain optimal weight distribution, keeping the center of gravity low. The result is sharper handling and improved balance compared to the Huracán. The suspension system has also been upgraded, with adaptive dampers that continuously adjust based on road conditions and driving style. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or attacking a racetrack, the Temerario remains planted and predictable. Rear-wheel steering enhances agility at low speeds and stability at high speeds, making the car feel smaller and more responsive than it actually is. Braking performance is equally extreme. Massive carbon ceramic brakes provide relentless stopping power, essential for a car capable of such acceleration. Regenerative braking from the hybrid system works seamlessly with the mechanical brakes, recharging the battery while maintaining consistent pedal feel. What makes the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario even more significant is its role in Lamborghini's broader electrification strategy. Following the debut of the V12 hybrid Lamborghini Revuelto, the Temerario represents the next step in the brand's transition toward a fully electrified lineup. But Lamborghini isn't abandoning emotion in the process. Instead, they're enhancing it. The new V8 has been tuned to deliver a distinctive, high-pitched roar that builds into a screaming crescendo at redline. It's different from the old V10, yes, but it's still unmistakably Lamborghini. From a market perspective, the Temerario positions itself against rivals like the Ferrari 296 GTB and the McLaren Artura, both hybrid supercars pushing similar boundaries. But Lamborghini's approach feels more dramatic, more extreme, and more focused on delivering an emotional punch alongside technological innovation. Pricing is expected to start well above the outgoing Huracán, likely in the $250,000 to $300,000 range depending on options. And as always with Lamborghini, customization will be nearly limitless through their ad personam program. Unique paint finishes, exposed carbon fiber packages, bespoke interior stitching. Owners can create a Temerario that reflects their exact personality. Beyond the specs and performance figures, the Temerario symbolizes something bigger. It represents Lamborghini's refusal to stand still. In a world where regulations tighten and electrification becomes mandatory, Lamborghini chooses to innovate rather than compromise. They've taken the challenge of hybridization and turned it into an opportunity to build a faster, sharper, and more advanced supercar. Imagine pulling up to a Cars and Coffee event in this machine. The low stance, the angular headlights, the aggressive exhaust note, it commands attention instantly. And when you launch it down an open stretch of road, feeling the combined force of combustion and electric power pin you to your seat, you realize this isn't just evolution, it's revolution. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario proves that the future of supercars doesn't have to be quiet, boring, or disconnected. It can be louder, quicker, and more technologically advanced than ever before. It can honor tradition while rewriting the rules. And that's exactly what Lamborghini has done here. They've taken everything we loved about the Huracán, its balance, its excitement, its everyday usability, and injected it with next-generation power and intelligence. The result is a machine that feels ready not just for today, but for the next decade of high-performance driving. This is more than a replacement. It's a statement. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario isn't just stepping into big shoes, it's creating its own legacy. If this is the direction Lamborghini is heading, the future of car vibes is going to sound absolutely incredible.